Today we're going to talk about Baby Noja, which is a Mvskoke lullaby. Baby Noja has a story that some people know and some people don't, and we're going to talk about today before we actually learn the song. So as it states here, Baby Noja is a lullaby that was created during the forced removal from our homelands in the southeast to what is now known as Oklahoma. Here's how the story goes. The soldiers would round up the Mvskoke people at night and aim firearms and cannons at them to scare them and make sure they didn't flee during the night. They would play a bugle horn to warn everyone that it was time to sleep. This horn would scare the children and babies, so in order to calm them, the Mvskoke women made a lullaby to the sound of the bugle horn to sing and to help calm them down. We still sing this song today, and now this song represents the strength of Mvskoke women and their ability to create positivity, hope, and resilience in times of hardships. So let's take a listen.
Baby Noja, 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 Noja hobokan ayang si baksin no lalagahis makedo ayang si baby Noja, 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 Noja hobokan ayang si baksin no lalagahis makedo ayang si baby